August Empties, and I have Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. Looks like this. And it is a Japanese brand. It's a hair mask and it works really, really good. I love it. After using it, your hair feels like silk. It is that beautiful. That will be a repurchase. I got this on Amazon. Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. They have different ones, but this, look for this, the Japanese one. Because you know, sometimes you go and they're different brands, but the Japanese brand is the one I got. Love this. Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil. Moisturize and clean curly to coily hair. Fair trade. This. I used to love Shea Moisture, but for some reason, this shampoo doesn't do much for my hair. When I shampoo my hair get knotted and it's just difficult. So I will not be repurchasing this. You know, I love, 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 love my little paper samples. If you are new here, my name is V and I love paper sample perfumes. This is one thing I love a lot. I use Giorgio Armani, J'adore, this Versace, and this one. Whatever is on the sample paper, I use it. Whether it's a man or a woman, I use it. I use Vera Wang. Oh, this one smells so good. So, so good. I love it. Vera Wang. This is the back. The next one, I just tried that one yesterday, and that is Ariana Grande Rem Cherry Eclipse. Her. And then this is what it looks like. It does smell good. And you can see it actually came darker than the others. I guess because they want you to see it is cherry. It still smells good. So this is what I do. It still smells good. The paper still smells good. Yeah, it smells delicious. So these are the ones that I have tried so far. The Vera Wang one, like I tell you, very, very nice. So I've used those. Danielle Creations On The Go Cleansing Facial Cleansing Wipe Marine Collagen formulated with tea tree plus lavender. I'm trying to make sure I'm not drowning with the light. I fixed my light. I think it's fixed. Gingham Gorgeous by Bath and Body Works Daily Nourishing Body Lotion. When I tell they smell good, they smell good, they smell good, they smell good. This is it right here. Oh, I think I still need to adjust the light a little. We're coming along, but I need to adjust it a little. See, I'm throwing stuff, dog. This is it right here. This smells so good. When I put it on, I'm always like this. This Gingham body lotion. I don't know if they still have it because I bought it a while back. This is it. If you want your bathroom to smell good after you finish take a shower, like you want the shower area to just smell good and you walk in and you can smell it, Aromatherapy Eucalyptus plus Spearmint Stress Relief Body Wash Foam Bath by Bath and Body Works. This, I've been using this for a long time. I just never show it. But I love this. This, like they say, stress release. It just soothes your soul when you finish showering, while you're showering, and later on when you go back to the bathroom, it just smells good. This is good. This is always a repurchase. It's a silent repurchase all the time. Sometimes I end up throwing the bottle away, but this is always a repurchase. Another one that I will repurchase is the Moroccan treatment. And when I tell you I love putting that in my hair, say for all hair types, alcohol free. I've been eyeing this for years and years and years. I finally bought a small one from Sephora. And when I tell you this thing is nice on the hair, it is nice on the hair. Expensive, but nice on the hair. Because this little thing was $22. The big bottle is more. But I want to try before I invest. And let me see if I can get any little bit in here to put on my hand so you can see. I think it's bone dry. After it was done, I tilt it like this to stay in one way so I can get a little, so I can get everything. See, it doesn't even have anything in it. Nothing. It's done completely dry. But this Moroccan treatment is a good oil for my hair. You can try it and see. Always invest in the small bottle just in case you don't like it. And if you invest in a small bottle and you don't like it on your hair, use it as your body lotion or your body oil, or mix it with your lotion, or just use it as is. But this worked for me very well. If you pick it up, there is one that's a fine hair on there. I got the one that's a for all hair types, and it's the original. So that is definitely a repurchase coming up. Hair is done. 4 months since the first keratin treatment. I just redid it a couple days ago, and I used the GK hair taming system. It's called the Best. This is it right here, but this is GK, and it's called the Best. When I first use it, I use mostly all of it up till here. There was a little bit, but I say I gotta make it work before I buy a full bottle. So I didn't have a little bit of it. So I used it and it did. As you can see, my hair is completely keratin treated again. But I didn't do it for 4 months. It lasts long. And the only reason why it didn't last 6 months is because I do that clarifying, and when you have it in, you should not be clarifying your scalp or your hair. So whenever you clarify, it kind of make it last less. But it would have lasted 6 months if I didn't do that. So this is a repurchase. The next time my hair need to do it for sure. For sure. Last but not least, my favorite, and it will be a repurchase. The only reason I've not repurchased that is because I have 2 more of different brands there. So this is The Ordinary Saccharomyces fermented 30% milk toner. When I tell you I love this, this makes my skin so beautiful. When I put this on, this makes my skin shine. And I have oily skin, but when I say shine, I'm not talking like greasy. I'm talking healthy glow. This works so well with my moisturizers. So well, that milk toner. And if you have like little dark spots, it actually, I've noticed it clear them up. It takes time, but it does happen. So this will be a repurchase. But right now I have a Lancome and I have an annual, like it's a Korean brand. And I don't want to purchase anymore until I get to use them. So this is why this Ordinary milk toner is not a repurchase right about now, but it is good. It is good. You see my hand? Take a look at it. I'm going to put, I think in here I have a little drop. I'm going to put a drop in the back of my hand so you can see. It's done. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to just rub it and you'll see the difference, what it does. I mean, this thing is like magic. See the back of my hand now? See the back of this one? And that was just a tad bit. When you do that on your face, the face will love you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today's item is, and it came from the comments. It says, I am wonderfully made. I am wonderfully made. I want you to know that you are wonderfully made And don't let anybody tell you any difference until I see you and you see me. Just know that you are wonderfully made. Bye.